Bet you can't touch that Radley house down yonder.
Ain't scared, I just spectful.
I bet you won't even put your big toe in that yard.
Oh, I bet I will.
Guys, I hope you have it through your head that if he catches us, he'll catch every single one of us.
I'll swap you a Grey Ghost and 2 Tom Swiss.
Hot dog, gee wilkers, I'm gonna do it.
Is that a ravenous dog right here?
Oh yeah, it is out of here.
Let's go. Plug her in. Don't worry, Atticus. I had you covered the whole time.
Skirt!
Because your car's that damn. I'll swap you a Grey Ghost.
David!
You big butthead!
David laughed, and then he made me laugh.
He doesn't even say anything in this part. Why? Go away! Do that.
Yeah, I'm shooting you.
No.
Give her the money, man. Give her the money.
Bang!
I got most of.
Go.
Go!
Rest in peace, Mad Cow.
Rest in peace, Mad Cow. 2013.